Subscribe the channel Curious Akash and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me. Today's topic is very important and knowledgeable, and I think no one has made a video on this topic and explained in details about coronavirus vaccines before me in YouTube. So without skipping the video, watch till the end. Hope you will enjoy this video. Around the world, the infected and death numbers are rising day by day due to coronavirus. Now the only ray of hope is any vaccine or drug that can deal with this deadly virus. But is it so easy to find a vaccine of coronavirus in this short time? And what are the steps of vaccine development? And which vaccines of coronavirus under trials? And when we will have a coronavirus vaccine? So in this video, I will tell you about the vaccine of coronavirus and explain above all questions. So let's start the video. Across the world, the fight against the novel coronavirus, vaccines have become the holy grail. The only way to fight against this virus is if the human population develops immunity to the novel coronavirus. This immunity can either be acquired naturally, for which the virus will have to infect a large portion of global population, or be induced with the help of vaccination programs. So the first option is to let the coronavirus infect worldwide more people and can have devastating consequences. This is why the second option, vaccination, is the best and perhaps the only way to deal with it. There are 5 steps in the process of development of vaccine. Number 1. Basic understanding. In this step, the researchers and scientists study the subject thoroughly and collect the information about it. Then they observe whether the microbe is changing itself by mutation or not. Then analyze the whole thing for the testing. Now the second step. The second step is preclinical testing. It is a stage of research that begins before the clinical trials and during which the drug safety data are collected. The main goals of preclinical studies are to determine the safe dose for the clinical trials and assess a product of safety profile. The third step is clinical trial. Clinical trial is the application of drug or vaccine in human beings, and clinical trial is further subdivided into 3 phases. Number 1, phase 1 clinical trial, in which the clinical trial of the drug or vaccine is done in some people. Then number 2, phase 2 clinical trial, in which the clinical trial of the vaccine is done with some group of people. And then phase 3 clinical trial, in which the clinical trial is done within a community and a large number of people. And in clinical trial, it is also observed that whether there is any side effects of the vaccine or not. Now the fourth step is regulatory approval. It is the approvals, license, registrations or authorization from the World Health Organization. If the vaccine passed the clinical trial successfully, then approval from the World Health Organization is needed for the commercial manufacturing. Now the fifth step is production or manufacture. If the vaccine is approved by the World Health Organization, then the researchers give the data to the pharmaceutical agencies for manufacturing the vaccine in a huge quantity. It takes minimum 9 to 10 months to develop a vaccine. The time mainly depends on the clinical trials. If the clinical trial success in one chance, then it will take minimum time. According to the World Health Organization global database of research into the novel coronavirus, over 120 vaccines have been proposed across the world. And World Health Organization is tracking details in depth on their type and progress. There are currently 7 vaccines in the clinical trials. According to the World Health Organization, to increase the chances of success, we must test all candidate vaccines until the fail. World Health Organization ensure that all of them have the chance of being tested at the initial stage of development. number one is AD5-nCoV. It is a adenovirus type 5 vector. The platform is non-replicating viral vector. AD5-nCoV is being developed by Chinese biotech firm CanSino Biologics and Beijing Institute of Biotechnology. It was the first novel coronavirus vaccine to enter the human trials, and it is currently in phase 2 clinical trials and is the furthest along in the research for vaccine. Now the second vaccine is the ChAdOx1. The platform is same as the AD5-nCoV non-replicating viral vector. It is being developed by the British scientists at the Oxford University, and it is in the phase 1 clinical trial. Conceptually, ChAdOx1 is similar to the Chinese vaccine AD5-nCoV in terms of technique used to induce immunity. Now the third vaccine is INO4800. The platform is DNA plasmid, and it is being developed by the US biotech firm Inovio Pharmaceuticals. It has the support of the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, a global vaccine research coalition founded by India and Norway government and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, among others. This is in the phase 1 clinical trials and is expected to be fully completed in the first half of the next year. The fourth vaccine is the inactivated Chinese candidate. The platform is inactivated or dead virus. It is a conventional vaccine that uses a dead version of the novel coronavirus, and it is being developed by a state-run Chinese pharmaceutical firm. According to the Chinese media reports, the vaccine is in currently phase 2 clinical trial. This vaccine is listed on the World Health Organization's database, but it is not being advertised by the Chinese media outside. Fifth one is the Picovac. The platform is inactivated vaccine, same as the previous one, and it is being developed by the another Chinese private biopharm company, Sinovac. It is in the stage of phase 1 clinical trials. Now the sixth vaccine is the mRNA-1273. The platform is mRNA. It is being developed by the 10 years old US biotech firm Moderna, and it is being backed by the US government's National Institute of Health. mRNA-1273 approach to vaccination that is similar in concept as the INO4800. It is in the stage of phase 1 clinical trials. Now the seventh vaccine is the BNT162. It also has the same platform mRNA, jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma giant Pfizer. All the basic and preclinical trials has been completed, and this vaccine is about to be tested in the phase 1 clinical trials. Most of the novel coronavirus vaccines are under development right now and target the spikes located on the surface of the virus. The virus uses the spikes, which are made of proteins, to latch on the human cells. Vaccines are currently being developed hope to disable these spikes and leave the novel coronavirus incapable of causing an infection. Indian efforts to develop a vaccine against the novel coronavirus are currently at various stages of preclinical researches. According to the Press Trust of India, at least 6 Indian firms are engaged in developing novel coronavirus vaccine, either independently or in partnership with the international companies. And 4 of these companies are currently listed on the World Health Organization's global candidate list. These include Zydus Cadila, Biological E Limited, and Serum Institute of India. Still, we are in the initial days of vaccine development. Apart from the 7 vaccine candidates mentioned above, the World Health Organization has listed over 80 others, including some heavyweight pharma companies that are in the various stages of preclinical research. Vaccine development go through various stages of researches, as I said earlier in the video. After all these trials, that is, experiments on humans, all these can take several years, sometimes up to a decade, like in SARS-CoV and MERS-CoV. But experts across the world are saying that by the current pace of research, the vaccine for COVID-19 will be developed in a record time within a 1 to 2 years, and that is a good and positive vibe.